Hello guys, let me show you how to make all these cute DIY that you can do so simple and easy and expensive for your next party. The first thing we're going to do is just grab two of these plates. I'm going to take a candle holder, a big one, and place a plate on top with hot glue, attach it into place like that. Then I'm going to take another candle holder, put in here guys. I didn't have a bigger one like that, so I'm going to take this small one and then I'm going to take another one, another a small one, and place it on top just to make it taller than the bottom one. Then I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue on the top like that, and then I'm going to place another plate on top like that, and then just attach it into place. Once you attach it into place, I'm going to take these pearls and I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue in there, and then just attach it all the way around the place. Just go all around it, attach it, and attaching the little pearls. Make sure to attach the not the big pearls, like the small one size, because the big one doesn't look as good as the small one. Then just continue attaching your pearls to the top and also to the bottom place, to both plates all the way around it. Then once you attach all the pearls all the way around it, guys, this is how it looks, guys. So beautiful and so cute. We're gonna take this white string and I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue right in there, and then I'm going to attach it into place. And you're going to continue putting a little bit of hot glue and attaching like that all the way around it until you do the bottom, and you also going to do the same thing to the top. Then I'm going to take one of these bead strings. I'm going to cut it to the same size, and I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue in there and then attach it at the top and attach it at the bottom. In here, you could do more than two. I just decided to do two of them, one on each side, but you could do it all the way around, and I think it will look super cute, not just to have two like I did it. And so it's up to your choice. It's an idea that I'm giving you to do. Make sure to attach it though to the bottom of the top like that. Then I'm gonna take a small candle holder like this. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue on top and then place it right in there. Then I'm gonna take one of this little glass, put a little bit of hot glue and place it right on top. So I'm gonna give you two different versions. This is the taller versions that you could do it with a glass on top, and I'm gonna give you another one that you don't have to do it with a glass on top. In here, you can leave it as that, or you could just take a little sign that says love. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it on top of it if you're doing like for a little wedding, and then just place a little bit of cupcake all the way around it. Put your little heart on top. I'm just gonna decorate it so for a little bit so you guys can see how cute it looks. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out once you place everything on top, which I think it looks great. You could put a candle in the glass as well, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out the other way without the glass. I think this is so cute. It looks so elegant. And the good thing about this one that you can use it for any party theme decorations. It can also be for a wedding idea. Look how cute the pearls look. I love how that pearls turns out. You can leave it like this. You could put different color. It's up to you. I'm just giving a different idea. You decide which one you like the best. Now let's get into the next DIY. So we're gonna take one of this plastic jar. We're gonna use one of these plushie. The plushie, you could do anything that you guys doing for any decorations, Valentine's, birthday party, whatever. Then put some hot glue at the top and then attach another plastic plate on top in there. And this is how cute, you guys. Then we're gonna take some cupcake and place it on top like that. I'm gonna put a few straws to make it look super cute. And this is how cute, you guys. It turns out super cute and easy cupcake stand that you guys can do inexpensive. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take one of this little glass jar and I'm gonna open it up, and we're gonna put a little donut inside. Just squeeze it in there and then go ahead and put the top in on top and screw it down. Then after that, I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue, a lot of hot glue. Put enough of hot glue in there. Put your little straw on top of there or any stick. Then hold it down and then let it dry, and then push it down and put more hot glue. This is the key for them to be attached really good. Then take one of this cupcake wrapper, place it a little hole, and then place it inside. Take this little donut. You can even use the bigger donut. I think it will look better than the smallest one, but I use the smallest one. And then just go ahead and place it inside until you fill out the whole thing. And this is how okay, you guys, it turns out so you can display it in your party decoration. The good thing about this one that it can do for any party theme, just place any party idea that you guys have on the inside of the jar, and it will look super cute. Now for the next idea, we're gonna take one of these little candy. I'm gonna take a stick, just put a little bit of water, and then just put the twist inside like that. Once you put all the candy inside, just put a little bag on top, then just go ahead and tie a little bow right on top, make a little cute bow like that. And once you do that, I'm gonna take this hair tie to place it right in there. This will be a cute little gift for them to take home. And then just go ahead and place it around a container like that. I'm gonna do a little unicorn on top. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple and so easy. Now as for the next DIY, um we're gonna take one of these little margarita glass. I spray painted in gold, and I'm gonna take one of these blue containers. I'm gonna place it right on top. I'm gonna attach it with hot glue. I'm gonna take water again, put the stick in there. This is for the gummy not to get attached to the stick. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and place the little like little rainbow, little star, different stuff. Just place different stuff in there. Then I'm gonna get this little long bag they have, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it inside there. I'm gonna put some floral foam inside there, attach it with hot glue. Then I'm gonna tie a little cute thing just to make it look cute. I'm gonna place a flower with a little branch, and then just place the candy all the way around it, you guys. I'm gonna put cute little decorate like little ice cream. Depends on the theme. Just place whatever you theme you're doing. Just place it decorations around it. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, and so inexpensive that you guys can do at home. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take one of these little can, and I'm going to take some floral foam and place it right in there. But make sure to put a little bit of hot glue all the way around it, and then attach it right inside there to attach it into place. Hold it down a little bit so it can attach. Then I'm gonna take this tissue paper and place it inside like that. We're gonna take the same little um candy, but this time we're gonna use a toothpick, and then we're just gonna go ahead and place it inside there because we want it to be like a little smaller version like that. And then just gonna place it inside. So we're just gonna continue attaching. You can do it this way as well. Just place the stick all the way around it, and then just make place the candy like that inside. Then I'm gonna take this balloon stick. I'm gonna place it right in the middle, and then just place it through it. I'm gonna place a balloon on top. I'm gonna put cute little flowers around it just to make it look super cute. I'm gonna do the same thing on the top. Just put a little bit of flower on top like that, you guys. And as you can see in the balloon on top, I put a flower inside, and then just blow it up and attach it to the balloon stick. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Simple, easy, inexpensive, and the good thing that they can just grab one of this little thing and eat it. The centerpiece while they on the table sitting down, which I think is a great idea. Now, for the next idea, it's pretty simple. I'm gonna take one of these little unicorn. I'm gonna take this little plastic small cup that they have. I'm gonna put some hot glue all the way around it like that on the unicorn horn like that, and then I'm just gonna place a little cup right in there. Make sure to hold it down for a little bit before you let go so it can attach into place. Put more hot glue because we want this to attach really good. Because then you're gonna put a little bit of hot glue on top and place this little plastic plate right on top in there. Then just go ahead and you could place cupcake, you could place little donut, whatever you guys want to do, just place it on top. And like this one, you could place a little heart. It's up to you what you guys want. Just place different things in there. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Simple, easy, and inexpensive to do. Remember, you cannot put heavy stuff in this one because you're holding it down for a little cup. Now, for the next idea, we're gonna take one of these little candle holder, attach two of them together like that. Then I'm gonna take one of this mirror, we're gonna take it out, and we're gonna put a little bit of hot glue in there, and then attach it into place. We're gonna take a few little straw and make one big, one tall, cut it down like that, and then just take your hot glue and attach it like that all the way around it. You're gonna attach it to the whole thing. I'm gonna take some of this little crystal and place it on top like that around the mirror. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.